Radhakrishnan and Prime Minister Narendra Modi mourn the loss of lives in Darjeeling Bridge mishap. Tura MP Saling Sangma urges the government to upgrade the Baljek airport for larger aircraft. Speed meets spirit as Meghalaya Blackwood Motorsport Society Dirt Track Challenge 2025 thrills Meghalaya. And Tengri SCC emerged champions of the First Division League Football Tournament 2025. Let's look at the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have expressed deep sorrow over the tragic loss of lives following a bridge collapse caused by heavy rains and landslides in Darjeeling. President Murmu called the incident distressing and extended condolences to the bereaved families, while Vice President Radhakrishnan conveyed his anguish and wished the injured a speedy recovery. Prime Minister Modi assured that the situation is being closely monitored and pledged all possible assistance to those affected. MP from Tura, Saling Sangma, has called on the Meghalaya government to upgrade the non-functional Baljek airport to accommodate ATR 72 aircraft, arguing that the current plan for 20-seater planes will not meet the needs of Garo Hills residents. The state recently signed an MOU with the Airport Authority of India to develop the airport for smaller aircraft. Sangma expressed dissatisfaction with the proposal and questioned why Shillong airports cannot handle larger jets like the Airbus A320s and Boeing's, citing successful operations in geographically tougher airports such as Lengpui in Mizoram and those in Lakshadweep.
Mizoram airport, which is operating, even the Boeing itself is landing in Mizoram. Why can't the government of Meghalaya and the government of India is not able to make the plane land in Baljek airport? Our Baljek airport is much bigger. When you talk about the 20-seaters, we can, bring much bigger Boeing to the state of Meghalaya. To the Baljek airport. I would again request the government of Meghalaya to send another MOU regarding 75-seaters, not 20-seaters. Otherwise, 20-seaters will be only for the private. It will definitely look like a private jet only.
The third edition of the Meghalaya Blackwood Motorsport Society, or the MBMS, the track challenge revved up excitement near Maukasiang on Saturday, transforming the quiet fields into a high-octane racing arena. Departing from its motocross roots, this year's flat dirt track focused purely on speed, drawing a record 94 participants from across Northeast and South India. 6 categories were contested, including a standout below 12-year group. MBMS General Secretary Will Pingrup emphasized the event's mission to promote safe racing and discourage rash driving. Veteran racers praised the technical layout and community-driven spirit, while organizers highlighted motorsport's potential to instill discipline and stir the youth away from harmful habits.
Sports is actually, races created for all the riders who are very much enthusiastic. In fact, we also want to convey a message. In fact, that's the first and foremost. In fact, we wanted to convey a message to all the people who have been, always involved into accidents or rash driving. This is an appeal from our society to please stop all that. So I encourage and I request all the people of the state, the youngsters especially, who are very enthusiastic with all this, to come over to the track in the future also, and we will always be there to guide you guys and coach you guys as well.
A devastating accident claimed 4 lives last night when a speeding dumper truck transporting limestone struck 5 female pedestrians. The victims, all residents of Thadrang Madan village, were walking along the roadside when the truck, allegedly driven recklessly, rammed into them. 3 girls died on the spot while a 4th succumbed to her injuries at Nazareth Hospital. An 11-year-old remains critically injured. The driver and his companion also sustained injuries. Police have seized the vehicle and launched a full investigation into the incident. In a surprise traffic enforcement drive, Ribhoi District Police penalized numerous motorists for violations including drunk driving and non-compliance with vehicle norms. Conducted under the Nongpok Traffic Branch, the operation aimed to improve road safety and discipline. Police reported 1.6 lakh rupees in fines from nighttime drunk driving checks and 1.33 lakh rupees from daytime inspections, totaling 2.93 lakh rupees. The authorities have reaffirmed their commitment to curbing reckless driving and ensuring public safety. Akbarlang Sinteng Nongdhar and Bidalis Sun were crowned Naikhatsao Sinya and Lukimai respectively at the traditional Khasi attire competition organized by the Khasi Students Union, Upper Shillong Circle, on Saturday at Usoso Tham Auditorium. Lakisan Basayomoit and Dawan Pindap Bor Lingdok Maunai secured runner-up titles in the boys category, while Dorothea Taryang and Sainara Nongklao were recognized in the girls category. Chief guest Paul Lingdok, MLA of West Shillong, presented the awards alongside special invitees Hamletson Dotling and Lombok Starwell Marangar. The event also honoured academic achievers with the Mike Chaprang Achievers Award and celebrated young sports talents who have brought pride to Meghalaya.
Karindia jongi kam sakuchu tambuku usan jong kari khasi lagi jong Meghalaya. Mentak snem lai benai menshwa Karindia jongi kalayo ya ka GI tag na ki authorities ki bai dei pek nya kini ke ba penting kana ba undan ki bai ba ki ban kam ai ya
The New Trep National Youth Front, or the HNYF, formally elected new office bearers for its Nongpok circle on Saturday, with Kirshan Uriah appointed as president. The oath-taking ceremony was led by Talibor Swer, General Secretary of the HNYF central body, in the presence of key leaders from the central and northern region units. Talibor praised the youth's commitment to public service and urged the newly elected team to uphold unity and integrity while addressing local issues. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer will embark on his first official visit to India from October 8 to October 9th. On October 9th, in Mumbai, he will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi to review the progress under the India-UK Comprehensive Strategic Partnership aligned with the Vision 2035 roadmap. The leaders will also attend the 6th Global FinTech Fest, where both are scheduled to deliver keynote addresses. The visit aims to strengthen collaboration across key sectors, including trade, technology, defense, climate, health, and education. The Sengkur Khongla Pillun held its second general meeting and award distribution ceremony 2025 in Lamin village, marking a significant milestone. A key highlight was the felicitation of clan members for academic excellence, including 8 SSLC students, a PhD holder, an MBBS graduate from Bangladesh, a B.Pharm graduate, 2 master's degree recipients, and 1 individual with disabilities. Attendees hailed from across Meghalaya, Bangladesh and Assam's Karimganj district. President V. Khongla emphasized the organization's mission to unite Khongla clan members and foster mutual understanding.
Ai ya ka kusnam award distribution ya ki parakur Khongla ki jongi ki balapas bah ki exam ki baper nado ki bapas ya ka kelas 10 matric badhadu ke kedan PhD ki doctorate bat kumta ter na kalian jongi kum ka sengkur ka ditemu ka bakong sana jongi kalong ba ngin ya itu itau ya ki parakur khongla ki jongi ki barana sekeleng satlak jong ka beriun nyotrep te ka jing kenduk lang jongi menakas ngi kalong ka baseso bar ka bapho bar ka baping namar baro kini ki kur ki jongi ki baran cepo halakan di kilaya pelaj ya ka por ka bakodor ka jongki banyawan ban persit ban pensait ya kane ka jing halangkur ka jongi.
Tengri SCC emerged champions of the First Division League Football Tournament 2025 after a hard-fought 1-0 victory over Miriau SC in the final held on Saturday at Dom Maulum Ground, Pendeng Umyong. Organised by the Pendeng Umyong District Sports Association, the match drew a massive crowd of enthusiastic fans. Chief guest Paul Soklet, MDC of Mauthat Raishan and other dignitaries graced the event. Tengri SCC secured the win with the first half goal and maintained their lead through solid defence, lifting the coveted trophy in a match that celebrated skill, spirit and community support.
Ki players par kita kami lihat kaya kemudian kepada siap pada kepos lap dari tolong teksti kan kini ke tournament pemain kepada pau semestinya beli pada in our action hagi jaga ki batal dan kita dapat pasti isi dengan kan nagalan berjumpa ke undang iman ke pemerintah ke ke ba nagalan ke PDSA in move ke government kepada sports department bagaimana kemarin karena desa ada yang menyo yang badan lagi kebaran flank kebagian bagi kita menyo galeri kebagian.
And now for the weather. First, let's look at the report in Tura, where the minimum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 27 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 84%, while rainfall was measured at 13 millimeters. In Shillong, the minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 23 degrees Celsius and relative humidity at 75%. Rainfall was measured at 8 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Juwai, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 24 degrees Celsius and relative humidity at 74%. Rainfall was measured at 6 millimeters. The forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juwai say moderate rain and thunder showers are likely to occur at most places. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan and Prime Minister Narendra Modi mourn the loss of lives in the Darjeeling Bridge mishap. Tura MP Saleng Sangma urges the government to upgrade the Baljek airport for larger aircraft. Speed meets spirit as Meghalaya Blackwood Motorsport Society Dirt Track Challenge 2025 thrills Meghalaya. And Tengri SCC emerged champions of the First Division League Football Tournament 2025. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.